Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to explain how to install a home solar power system in a simple and practical way. A home solar system consists of 5 main components: the solar panel, charge controller, battery, inverter, and electrical loads. The first component is the solar panel. It captures energy from sunlight and converts it into DC electricity. In this example, we are using a 400-watt solar panel, which is suitable for small home systems. The electricity generated by the panel is sent to the charge controller. The charge controller regulates the voltage and current to ensure that the battery is charged properly and protected from damage. In this system, we use a 40-amp MPPT charge controller, which offers higher efficiency than conventional models. The next component is the battery, where the energy is stored. A 12-volt, 100-amp-hour lithium battery can store the energy produced during the day so that it can be used at night or during power outages. The next stage is the inverter. The inverter converts the battery's 12-volt DC power into 220-volt AC electricity. With the help of the inverter, you can operate appliances such as televisions, fans, laptops, and lighting systems. However, following the correct connection sequence during installation is very important. First, connect the battery to the charge controller. Then, connect the solar panel to the charge controller. Next, connect the inverter directly to the battery. Finally, connect the 220-volt electrical loads to the inverter's output. To improve system safety, it is essential to use proper fuses. In this circuit, a 40-amp fuse is installed between the battery and the charge controller, and a 125-amp fuse is placed between the battery and the inverter. These fuses protect the equipment against short circuits and overcurrent conditions. Another important point is selecting the right cable size. As the system power increases, thicker cables must be used to minimize voltage drop and prevent overheating. In addition, the positive and negative terminals must be connected carefully, since reversing them can damage the equipment. If you plan to expand the system in the future, you can add more solar panels and batteries or use more powerful inverters. We hope this tutorial has been useful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the Khaneh Bargh channel and share your questions and comments in the comment section below.